Hello children, the rain season has arrived and children love to play in water. So it's time to wear cute gumboots, jump in the puddles, carry colorful umbrellas and wear a long raincoat. Today we will learn about the things that we see during the rainy season. We see clouds. We see thunderstorm. Rainbow. Rain. And puddles. We use rainwear such as raincoat, gumboots, and carry umbrellas. They keep us dry during the rains. We also see few creatures during rainy season. Some of them are snakes, frogs, snail and earthworm. Okay children, bye bye.